to Detroit International Airport, folks. Gonna drop the rental car off. It's a little tricky. Shuttle's about 7 minutes. Okay, make that 10 minutes. But allow for 15. It's a really busy airport. It's like 4:40 right now. All right, time for TSA. They said that this county has the nicest riverfront in the nation. It's pretty cool. My goodness. Not even 5 a.m. yet. Look at the line. All right, that took 20 minutes. Even through TSA clear. And it's pretty early, so I'd get here a little earlier. Pretty big airport. Lots of food options. This was a really big city many decades ago. 1.8 million, about 633,000 now. But obviously, right across the pond from, well, river from Canada. So actually, when you fly out of here, you get a little text saying you got international roaming. That's if you forget to put your airplane mode on. So you got JetBlue, Spirit, Southwest. I'm not sure what's on this terminal, but they split you up at the rental car place. And they've got different TSA checkpoints depending on which side you go on. I will say one thing I haven't found yet that I'm looking for is those little water dispensers. There's another TSA right here. It's a long way down there. This is pretty cool. You don't see this in a lot of airports. Not the McDonald's, but this little Dasani play area. It's got like a little kid's room, but a big movie screen. It's kind of cool. Little dog park. Here we go. So we are, doesn't tell us, but we're about right here. Okay, here's the list of airlines. On D. Alright, so we're on Concourse D. Okay. It's funny. Very cool. Still trying to find those water dispensers. Looks like a nice place to hang out. I've not seen one water fountain. Wow. I think I found one. It looks like they got like one water dispenser in this whole airport. At least that I could see. Maybe I wasn't looking in the right spot. Got a lot of hand sanitizer though.